Stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Check. All right, I'm back. What is good, gang? How is it going? All right, let's see what we're looking at. I was actually looking at today's markets. Very interesting markets, honestly. GJ went down, continued up. So interesting. GJ from my original sells, it went 80 pips, but yeah, I was able to take 25 out of here. Let's see what we can get up and running. Yo, guys, what's up? What's up? Just chill vibes, honestly. What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? All right. Let's just look at charts. There you go. So let's see. What are the trades we kind of could have caught today? Show what's good. Tomasini, what's good? Let's see what we could. Vis, what's good, lad? Vis and all of y'all, if y'all want, y'all can join me on Discord. Y'all can join me on Discord. Yep. You can join us on Discord. We're just taking a look at what popped out today. Interesting trades today. And I also heard BTC was crashing, if I'm not mistaken. Very interesting. So looking at it, GJ came to a very interesting level. 272, 232, all right. GJ came to a rejection level at 200 to about 350. There you go. We came back into that. What did GJ do? We rejected this support, right? So we look at it. We came straight down into the support, rejected it to continue back up, plain and simple. 160. All right. Just look at that. GJ looked so interesting today. Just going from going from the bottom of the range to the top of the range. A lot of people were looking at trades. Look at the way GJ respected this level right over here. Slowly going down the time frames, 2 hour time frame. Ooh, 1 hour time frame also. GJ just couldn't stay below 160. So what we're gonna do is clear these two levels. Ujwal Bhatia, welcome mate, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Right now we're just looking at what are the potential trades for today. And seeing, yeah, if any nice setups come about, why not, eh? Mm-mm. All right. 160, 100 to 160 flat is the zone. Bro, gold can be beautiful trade zone. All right, let's just take a look at gold then. All right, gold. Um, right, gold over here. Let's take a look. 146, 500, 147. Interesting. Let's see what gold does. Gold, once we break out of this range, should be really nice. Okay, gold is rejecting 153, 500 up to 154 flat. Sorry, 1854. My bad, my bad. 1854. That is very interesting. Just look at that. Right? Gold rejecting these levels. 1854 to 1854, 500. So looking at that, that should give us some interesting positions, eh? On gold especially. So let's look at this. So if gold breaks above this, we have this nice clean run up, right? We have this wick fill which we could complete, right? Look at it on the 45-minute time frame. We've rejected that level strongly. 15-minute time frame. 155 also would be a very key level that we should look at. Psychological level 155. Sorry, 1855. I don't know why 155 is stuck in my head. But 1855 seems like a key level also. But look at this. Gold can drop below 1847. Let's look at 1847. Let's go. 1846 500. So yeah, 1847 and below 1846 500. And I will also be in gold sales coming back down. Also, Sandeep Kumar, do you remember when I called gold sales yesterday? Everyone was like, gold is in a bullish bias and everything. I was right, mate. I was right. I was right about gold sales. Right over here, everyone said, no, gold is gonna go up. Gold is gonna go up. And guess what? We came back down. I called those sales out for you guys. But yeah, we took a small L, but it just pushed. But yep, beautiful. But Sandeep Kumar, like, yeah, it's just, it's a matter of probabilities and what it shows out, right? So, yep. So let's look at GJ. GJ, we're in this range, right? So when we look at it, is there a key level that we can look 16400? All right. So what we need to look at is how many of these stops are actually rejecting a certain level, right? So let's look at the 1 hour time frame, hourly time frame. What we haven't been able to do is close properly above this level. So we're rejecting basically this 200 to about 370. 260 to 370 is what you can say. Remember, only above this level do we have this clean traffic towards the left. Right? Do you all see that? Only above that. My gold trade went well, you remember? Toma, yes, I remember. It's game of probability. Yep, sometimes you're right, sometimes I'm right. Depending on how we perceive the market and view it, right? So that's no problem. Shaker, what's good, lad? You can join us up on the Discord if you want and free. So looking at it, GJ, once we break around 400, or let's say 370 is a good level to start looking for some purchases, some buys. So let's just look at this 300 level, which we've rejected right now. Yep. Can you see we've rejected this 300 level? So we can potentially look, oh, on every other time frame, it's just a candle wick there. 335. Just take a look at that. Interesting. 3 hour time frame has 230. Alright, no problem. There you go. So yeah, so guys, tell me what your trades look like today. Today, what I did was I took a sell over here at the London session. Right? London session open. I was looking at GJ like the my actually wait, where was my here? This was my trade. Alright. And I was waiting for the break of these lows. I got in at the break of those lows. It drove down strong, but you know me, I closed my trades very fast. I took 25 pips and I was out. Even though it did continue for another, yeah, it continued to 45 pips. I still closed at 25 pips, you know? So yeah, my busted my MF account being the last day on gold trade though. I'm not anywhere near the target. No problem, Vis. We're gonna get back into it and you're gonna do really well. Trust me on this. Okay? So Euro JPY also, when you look at it, um, guys, does anyone know what candle this was? What was this candle? This was some sort of news, right? Take on the trade was correct, which eventually fell. Yup. Vis, many times our takes on the trade are correct. It's our execution which is incorrect, right? Many times our takes on the trade can be correct, but our execution be incorrect. 1854 is 1854 to 1855 is the zone I would say you guys don't play around with gold. All right, wait for gold to close above 1855 and then we can start looking for some trades. All right, US CPI today. All right, fair enough. That's why we move. US core CPI was news. All right, US core CPI was the news. Interesting. 6 o'clock was this candle. Beautiful. This was a beautiful drop on gold. Predictable. 130 pips. Easy, clean move. All right, Euro JPY coming back down. Will we get a sell on Euro JPY is my question. All right, so let's just change this template. Zone extension. 370. Oh, this looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. Look at Euro JPY. What do you say? On the higher time frames, this doesn't look too good. 400. If the higher time frames looked a little better than that, once it closed below 370, it would have looked like a good sell. But yeah, Euro JPY is very choppy, so be careful of it. Let's just look at this. EJ, huge rejection. Yeah, rejection from the downside, rejection from the upside. Look at EJ. EJ is just in this consolidation, right? We haven't been able to break above or break below. Now it's been about 28th of April. So it's been about 13 days since we've been in this consolidation, right? So we need to be really careful of this pair, EJ. And the level we're drawing, you can see it's a level of much respect and everything, So that's why all the more you need to be cautious of it because of what it's been doing in this area. See? Respect, rejection, 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 important key level, respect. So now we create a support. Can we close below this level? That would be nice one. 45-minute candle. Oh, that would be the next for. Oh, okay. So there's still some time. GBP JPY dropping like a train. How many of us looking at GBP JPY? It's just dropping, lads. It's just dropping. That was the sell candle right over there. Rejection from resistance. Continuation 30 pips. Oh my. Beautiful. If GJ continues dropping, then EJ should soon break this and continue with this clean candle. Right? Down towards here. Could we say 100? So yeah. There you go. Me GJ on sell. Beautiful. I wanted to be selling GJ, but again, like, if it's only if your setup shows itself. Here, there's no setup. If something like this had to show itself, then there's a setup. Today, there was no setup on GJ. At least right now, there's no setup on GJ. So what we can do is, even GJ, we can go to the higher time frames. We can see, are we gonna reject this 2-hour level right over here? Right? Interesting key little level. Right, 850 to around 820. Are we going to reject this level on GJ? Right, so ask yourself the question, wait for price to give you the answer, because look at it. This is the rejection from the morning levels. Beautiful. I love good morning levels. It just gives me nice confirmations. This morning's levels were so pretty. Not even going to lie about that. But this, so after GJ just slamming it bullish, this could just be a pullback to continue up. But what we're not seeing on GJ is the break of this structure, right? We need to see the break of the bearish structure to the bull side if we want to take buys. That's what we want to see. Hey Tracy, how's it going? What's poppin'? Yup, this was a surprise because this was just a overview stream. Yeah, I just wanted to see what the markets look like today and what we could have done and how we could have been in these markets, right? Especially gold in the morning, it was plain and simple. It played out to the T. Look at those fake outs, right? Fake out, fake out. So you basically ignore this little level, right? And look at the 15-minute candle closure above resistance that respected for about, let's just look at this, okay? For 4 hours. This resistance was respected. We finally broke above. You could have waited for the candle to even break its own high before you could enter. Your stops would have been probably about not even 10 pips, my gosh. So your stops would have been like barely 10 pips and it would have just skyrocketed. There you go. It went up around 150 pips, right? Plain and simple, just following it. What would have been your confirmation for those buys is the low with the higher low, the high with the break giving you the higher high. So you see what kind of market structure that gives you, right? So I hope you're able to see that clearly. Let's just make this a nice little yellow color. Yep. All right, do you see that? Plain and simple market structure, gold moving up. Nice little break of the highs continuing up. And so look, we went up. And while coming down, it was so simple. Look at these rejections from the upside, right? Rejections from the upside and then an engulfing candle of the entire range, right? The little consolidation we created, we had an engulfing candle. So you could have waited for firstly the wick up and then the break of the low. You would have had your stops above that, 20 pips. Look at this drop. Plain and simple, like clockwork it works, right? So that's it. when you follow your price action and market structure, you shouldn't have a problem winning these trades, right? So if anyone wants a breakdown of anything that I've been explaining, feel free to go ahead and ask me. I'll be more than happy to break it down for you. But these trades were so plain and simple today that it's, as price action traders, today was one of those beautiful days, especially on GBP JPY. I'm not even kidding. Like GBP JPY just respected everything I had drawn this morning. Even this 45-minute closure up here, I wanted to take the buy, going up, but I didn't, only because I wasn't at my computer. So yeah. Francesco Lombardi. Let's take a look at NAS. Let's take a look at NAS 100, eh? Champion Pip, CPI was crazy, had a sell on gold. Let's go, mate. Brian, you're killing it, bro. You're killing it. Today's the one day I took off, and yep, you guys were slaying it out. I saw your stream, Brian. Beautiful stream. Guys, if y'all haven't checked him out already, check him out. Champion Pips, right? Champion Pips on YouTube. Fantastic work today. He absolutely killed it. There you go.
This area.
This is his goal, guys.
You could set your stop loss to break even if price does reach around
There you go.
1842.37, around there. And if it doesn't and it starts closing back in the range, then that's actually really good because you can manage risk that way.
Amazing.
So what you could do is,
Amazing.
let's say this
pip
candle
buys.
closes back here, under here, you can manage your risk without having to take the full stop loss.
So
but
guys,
if we do push up here,
whenever you get the chance, go head over to Champion Pips. Oops. Champion Pips. I've put the link in the chat. All love, man. Keep up the work. Definitely, man. You too. Killing it. You're absolutely slaying it. Love it, love it, love it. Looking forward to our collaboration session, eh? Champion DC Trading and Champion Pips London session. We're waiting for that. So as soon as you let me know when you're ready for that, we'll have Champion Pips and DC Trading together. For sure. Hope you're having an insane afternoon. 12,400 is the level that we're reacting to on NAS 100, as you can see. So what did NAS react to? Let's look at it. All right. NAS reacts to levels so beautifully. Trust me. I wish other Forex pairs did that, honestly. But look at the way NAS respected this level so well. The same level about 3-4 times. That's around 12,550 almost, you can say. Yeah. 12,550 is the level at which you can see price kept spiking into. So you can see how key that level is. 12,550 to almost, let's say 12,530. There you go. Price moving into this range. You can see the market structure change right over here, right? We went from this creating these higher lows, right, to creating this form of consolidation. And then guess what we started creating? A high, a lower high, a lower low, and then we finally broke these lows. So that's what you guys should look at, understanding where price is respecting, rejecting, and understanding also how price is reacting to certain key levels, right? So if we look at 12,500 flat, what did price do at 12,500 flat? Can you see? Look at this rejection candle. You could have taken such an easy sell off this rejection candle because of one thing. Firstly, we look at the candle body closures, right? Just look at, we had a high, we had a lower high, we had a low, we have a massive rejection from the upside and a closure below the range. Boom, continuation. The next time we reacted to the zone, a high, a lower high, a low, a closure below that range, boom, rejection, continuation down, right? All you have to do is look for price action to play out. Nothing is stronger than price action, right? All of us are price action traders, and all of us are looking for price to show us a story, right? To tell us the story. So when we look at today's story, what did price say? Right? We started going up, right? We started going up, and then guess what happened? We broke down, right? Plain and simple. First leg of bearish market structure, right? When we broke these lows, and when we broke below this range, that was the range 2 breakout, basically, right? This was range 1, and this was basically range 2. And so the continuation was inevitable, right? And so everyone should expect it. Right now we are in a bearish market on all indices, and higher time frame analysis on most of the pairs, especially USD related. So yeah, trading Indian, how are things? Joining you late, no problem. Trading Indian, like I said, this is just a random stream. We just came on to just check out what's popping. 41 of y'all guys in the stream, thank you for joining in, lads. Trading Indian, I'm pretty sure you slayed the day. Today was a pretty simple day where price action was concerned, right? Now GJ has closed back in this range, which is very interesting, which we should actually expect continuation down. So if some of you want to, take these GJ cells back down to the bottom of the range, you could. But what I would say is, if you've already taken a trade for the day, just take it easy, relax, call it a day. Whatever it is, enjoy your profits. Don't give your profits back to the market. But this is a beautiful move. We marked this out, eh? Beautiful move. Gold maybe above 1855, we can start looking at it, or below 1847 is what I'd be thinking. So yeah, there's so much going on, guys. Tell me, what are your guys' trades? All right, EJ, like I said, should be continuing down if it closes this way. Let's see how EJ and GJ close, and then we can decide. How is everyone doing today? What trades did y'all catch? If you're new here, say what's up. I was stuck at 6% on my MFF challenge from the last 10 days. I didn't take any trades. Good, Shaker. That is good. You didn't lose the trades also, right? It's all right. I know, Shaker. Today, even I missed out on quite a few of those bangers, but it's all right. That's no problem. We're completely fine with that. And on my funded next account, even I'm stuck at 6%. I haven't taken any trades yet. No trades today, Rista. Oh man, no problem. Even I haven't taken any trades just yet. We're waiting. Oh, GJ would have been such a good sell. Look at that 20 pip drop. I have 16 more days left. I need 2% for phase 1. All right, I need 4% for phase 1 completion. Oh man, GJ, I literally told you if we close back in this range, we could be expecting a drop, and guess what we're doing? Plain and simple. Drop. So there you go. EJ is closing back down. So you could possibly look at some small time entries. But even this GJ sell, I have an idea. See any setups for me today? Fair enough, Rista. That's good. If you didn't see a setup, you shouldn't take a trade. Hey, Christy, how's it going?
Fine. Whose birthday is it?
Pardon?
I'm asking whose birthday is it?
It'll be mine tomorrow.
Oh, I thought it's today. Today is my parents' birthday. They share a birthday. I thought I'll get a birthday made for them.
No, that's tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, today I was just a little busy. So yeah.
Mm,
But how was your trading day today?
my trading was fine. I can't complain, honestly. I tried trading yesterday today and it was good. It went well.
That's
Okay,
good.
scalping though.
Yeah. What did you trade today?
I said US 30.
Oh, US 30. All right.
Yeah.
US 30 was also pretty today. But yeah, did you catch the buys or the sells?
The cells. I was in the cells before news,
Ooh.
and I didn't like. I just put my stop loss to break even, and it just dropped.
Oh, damn. Christy
No,
made
but
bank for the day. What are we talking about, Christy?
no, but I think I was just lucky. What if the news came and went against me? I was scared though.
But what happened? You were still in that trade, right?
Yeah.
So
No,
you
yeah. So
made
because when
massive
the news
bank.
came out,
Yeah.
yes, I did. No, I can sleep for the whole of the week.
Oh, wow. Christy, how much percentage did you make on today's US 30 trade?
So I used point five. I used point. Normally, I risk 1%, so I just risked point. I used 0.50 lots. So
Oh
and the
my
drop was
word.
like, let me see, let me check because
How
I
much?
was using
Okay,
the one
can
minute.
I ask you what was your PNL on that trade?
Huh? Just I think I'm having problems with my internet. I can't hear you.
No problem. How much did you make on that 50-cent lot, Christy, in that trade? That is just crazy. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah, Christy literally caught this entire drop, which is absolutely crazy. So yeah, that's amazing, Christy. So happy for you. Mm-mm. Let's see. So is GJ gonna continue down or what? What do you guys think? Is GJ gonna sell off or not? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Buy a PS5, Sam. Yo, I have a PC. Why would I buy a PS5? Come on, Shaker. Get on that grind. Time to build yourself a custom PC, Shaker. Custom PC. So let's see Euro JPY at the daily open, GBP JPY almost at the daily open. We're looking at these candles at the daily open. So let's see how they react to the daily open and continue. Will we reject the daily open or not? All right, will GJ continue breaking the lows and continue down, or will GJ reject the daily open to continue back up? EJ also in a tricky position. GJ also in a little tricky position if we will break these lows or not. So on the 5-minute time frame, look at it, we are rejecting right the daily open. So if we reject the daily open, we can go pretty high up. But if we break the daily open, that is different. So there you go, we're at the daily open level. Perfect rejections. Did you play? No, I haven't, Shaker. Is it a good game? Is it a good game of some sorts? Let's see, gold. Okay. I don't know. We lost Christy. It's the best game ever on console, bro. The best game ever. Interesting. Let's see how it goes. Based on Greek mythology. Thor is coming up next. Interesting. Anyway, on the other hand, talking about trading, we're waiting on gold. There's US 30. US 30 recovered crazily. It dropped and it recovered immediately, almost immediately. Yeah, it was just one candle, two candle. On the 1 hour time frame, it should just be 1, 2. Yep. Wow. No volume on gold. Yep. Right now, there's no volume on gold. But look at GJ. I literally just said it just now. It's rejecting the daily open, right? So be careful of it. GJ, be careful of it. Tomorrow, you may get a banger trade on GJ, or at least later in the night, you may. But yep, I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone caught some bangers today. Guys, if you all caught any trades today, let me know what trades you all caught. We can take a look at it. GJ, EJ, everything gave us some beautiful setups. The GJ buy setup was so clean, but we missed it. Let's see what is this GA. GA, interesting. GA almost reacting like US 30. GU extremely volatile. It oh, same thing. So question, did we get a positive news for the USD and then a negative news to drive it back up? Especially on all USD pairs. Did we get positive news and then negative news instantly? Because I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what exactly happened today. Right? Not too sure what happened today. CPI was green. I don't know about negative news. All right, no problem. But like the question is, what caused gold to slam down and then immediately turn around and move up? Is it like, oh, US dollar gaining value and then all of a sudden, oh, inflation continue back up? You get what I mean? So that would be the question, of course. If anyone's new here, say what's up, guys. Let us know where you're trading in from. We usually stream the London session. Today we're here because we didn't stream the London session today, so we're just chilling, looking at and seeing if we could have got any trades today. Amazing. GJ closed back in the range so beautifully. I want to take this. That was a 21 pip sell. But yeah, we'll be ready for it next time, no problem. But that's amazing. You know what's crazy on Funded Next, Shaker, Funded Next, is there is zero commission on gold. No commission on gold. I just find that to be absolutely amazing. Right? No commission on gold. Intense. So yeah, I hope you guys had a productive trading day. I didn't trade today. No commission at all. Zero commission. That's it on gold. With 8 cap. Yeah. 8 cap is a broker. Zero commission. So yeah. Absolutely amazing. The spread is there. And the spread, guess what, is even lesser than my Forex funds. It's less than MFF too. Gold spread. At least a lot of the times I noticed that it was lesser than my Forex funds. Alright. So yeah, interesting day today. I think we should be up and running. Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be taking the day off. 2.5 pips spreads. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be taking the day off, so yeah. Careful, Shaker. Don't get slipped like that, man. 8 pips is no joke. And yeah, let's see what price does. Vedant, what's poppin', mate? It's been a minute since I've seen you around here. You a busy man or what? Vedant is a busy guy. No London session. Tracy, no London session. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm just gonna take the day off. I'm just gonna go and chill, Just enjoy the day as it is. Vedant college, dude. Oh, no problem, mate. Just, I mean, do whatever you can do whenever you can, honestly. Which pair is that? NZD JPY, alright. Euro JPY tempting. It looks interesting, but I don't want to take the risk, honestly. Or do I? Who knows? What is it looking like? Vedant, how's those Lambo dreams coming about? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. These guys will let us go. That's true. 23 shaker. 23 shaker. Even GJ is moving. What's wrong with gold? Yeah, gold I think is a little bit sick today. I mean, we gotta give it a goal. Gold did move 150 pips like 5 times today. 3 times today. Once, twice, thrice. So yeah. EJ looks interesting. This once we break this low, we could continue back down, right, on EJ. Let's see how far EJ can continue down. 5 minute with no top, no bottom wick. That's interesting. That means EJ should stop moving right over here at 320. That's what I've noticed a lot of the time happen on EJ. Yep. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. Today was interesting. A lot of banger moves happening in today's session. Market moving in different ways. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to join us for the London session whenever you're free. And remember, don't over-risk, don't overtrade, guys. It's not worth it. Over-risking and over-trading is never a joy, trust me. I think everyone in the chat has learned from their experiences, right? And over-risking and over-leveraging was never a good thing. So I'm gonna see you guys. Take care, be safe. I will see you tomorrow at the I won't see you tomorrow. I'll see you day after tomorrow at the London sessions, and we will hopefully catch some absolute bangers together. Until then, take care, guys. See y'all.